Okay, we're going to look at how to remove the roof off an FJ40. This has already been half done. So basically the windscreen was undone. There was some bolts up here to remove that. For the rest, fillet's head, 10mm bolts. I've already cracked these ones, but this one wasn't going to play the game, so we'll have to come back to that one with a little bit more brute force, I think. So we'll start cracking them open now. So this is what we're happening. Snapping off the bolts, which means we have to drill and tap them out later, once we get the roof off. Just take each one nice and slow. Could be a slow process, or they might all snap off really easy and then I have to drill and tap every single one. But anyway, alright, so we've undone a lot of these. Most of them have just snapped like this. These are well and truly stuck in there. So what I am going to do is, as carefully as I can, cut the head off with a grinder. Alright, we've cut that off, and as you can see it was pretty rusted under inside there. So rust welding, solid as. Woohoo! Alright, so we've got 4 bolts that hold this in as well. So I've taken out the brackets, but I'm still going to have to unbolt this. It's just not just popping off. I thought this would stay with the roof and then I could get this off later. Righto, every single screw is either broken off or cut off. So we're just going to try to break the seal between all the rubber and the panels. So the reason why we couldn't get that off was a hidden one, this one here, which I couldn't find. So it makes it easy to undo as much as you can and then pry the roof off. And then these ones are hidden under the roof. Sneaky Toyota, sneaky. Alright, this is the support rail for the back of the roof where the barn doors go. Just here there's actually a bit of rubber. I know it looks like rust, but this is a rubber piece. So if I get this off, the rubber piece that I've just pulled out, it goes between that back support roof piece for the top of the barn doors. These are little plastic clips that hold it all together. I'll be able to reuse them. I just need to, when I buy my rubbers, I need to remember to get them. So I'll just quickly show you where that came from. That would be in between here. These are the bolts. I had to cut the heads off because they just would not move. They were just rock solid in there. But now that I've got it off and exposed them, they actually look fairly clean. So I've just been spraying them with some WD-40 and just soaking them for a while. And hopefully we'll get some multi-grips onto it. Oh, well, there you go. That one's so loose. A bit tight there. Excellent. There we go. So another 4 bolts. And this will come off. Cut all this, scrape all that rubber off. Now I've got most of these bolts have snapped off inside. There's going to be a bit of work just drilling and tapping all them out. Anyway, we'll get there.